It's B series time. Okay, folks, we have a B2601. Right?
That's
I
right.
get the model number right?
You sure did.
Because I'm terrible for numbers.
Oh, you got her. You nailed her.
Anyway, finally we have a B series here. Compliments of
Newfoundland Kubota Limited.
what a bunch. What a dealership.
Awesome.
What a
Awesome
dealership.
bunch.
Anyway, we asked for one of these fitted out with a backhoe, and they went through many hoops,
Yes,
yeah, and many loops to get it here.
that's right.
They had the tractor come from across the island, from their dealership over in Corner Brook, and they never had a backhoe, so they ordered in a backhoe and installed it before they brought it out to us. Now,
Awesome.
seriously,
I know.
who else in the world would do that?
Exactly.
I don't know of anybody.
Nope.
Maybe in a dream, it might be foolish enough to even dream it, right?
But in this case, we dreamed it and it happened.
But thanks to those people that they're looking out to us. We really appreciate it. That being said, everybody's going to benefit from this, especially the end user, which is the customer.
That's right.
So the thought process have started, well into the thought process, so much in fact that we've even got some things designed for it now. We don't want to release too many things right now on it because, folks, we're going to add on to our shop. Our shop is going to double in size very shortly, and I figured I'd save that for the B guys. The BX guys got all the information. So our shop is going to basically double in size, and until then we have to release the mod slowly because there's only a certain amount of room here and only a certain amount of work one person can do to keep up with the demand. We already have a lot of mods out there, and it's pretty well a full-time job keeping it replenished. So the B series, you're going to see possibly 1 or 2 mods released every week.
Wow, that's a good one.
And I'm going to tell you something. I don't know how long they're going to let us have the tractor, so I'm trying to do this as quick as I can. This B series, I'm telling you, it's an endless amount of mods that can be made for it. Endless.
I know.
I'm telling you, like every time I look at it, I see a new mod. Now, folks, some of them are going to be a crossover mod from the BX.
That's right.
And the reason why we're crossing them over is because they were so successful on the BX model. The BX guys were kind of our guinea pigs.
That's right.
Because
we started out with the BX.
Yeah, because I started out with the L series, the Grand L series.
That's right.
But then I went back to the BX series, and that's where our own personal tractor ended up with a lot of the mods that were never done before to any BX. I mean, we were the first ones to ever put mirrors on a BX.
That's right.
Now everybody puts mirrors on a BX.
Exactly.
When I did it, I was almost ashamed to even publicly show it.
That's right.
But anyway, it turned out to be a success, which is good. I'm glad it helped people out. This is the first mod we're going to show you on this is a crossover mod from the BX series. It looks the same, but it's made differently. Really cool factory-looking mod, and it's a useful mod in my opinion. Okay.
It's been requested for this model.
Yes, and it was requested for this model. So
That's right.
don't be disappointed if you see some mods that look close to the BX. You're going to see that. There's only so many things you can do, but there's going to be unique new mods for the B model.
That's right.
But there's also going to be ones besides for the BX. So first of all, let's go back to the backhoe. This is the mod that you're going to be looking at first. This here is the Easy Step. Okay.
That's right.
And the reason why these were even thought of was because back here, there's really not a lot to step on.
No.
So what I found myself doing with the BX was stepping on this. And I've slipped. It's not a really good surface to try to step on.
No, that's right. Not intended.
You know, and even getting off is not. So we came up with this Easy Step, and it's worked quite well. It's been it's been welcomed by a lot of Kubota owners. So this is what you have, and it's basically held on with hose clamps on the bottom, like you'd see here. And this fits so well. The hose clamp is just basically there to keep it there as a technicality. And when you get yours, you just basically tap on it. Okay, you'll put your hose clamp on each end, and I can guarantee you it won't slip. So when you go to get on it, let's see here now. When you go to get on it, you step on it here, and you step aboard. It's a lot easier than using this. I'll tell you the truth, there's a couple of times where I almost twisted my ankle. And on ours, I actually made an extension.
Yes,
okay? That also helped. I made the extension before I made the step.
That's right.
So, and it looks good, you know? And also what I like about this even better than the BX is when these are up in the BX, they kind of block the rear tail light a bit, but it don't really matter because it has its double lights up here.
True.
But I'll just show you what it looks like. See?
Yes, perfect.
So it fits better on this than it actually do on the
Yeah.
on the BX, right?
That's right. So this backhoe model is
That's
70.
a BH7.
So I guess any B series really, or this
Yeah.
line.
Yeah, oh definitely.
Yeah.
So, and it looks good. So that's the very first mod that's going to be offered for the B.
There's some people who have the 2601's got our other mod. They got the short footers.
Yeah, well we also make the big shore footers as well. They'll come out of here, and they're
That's
quite
right.
bit big.
They fit this backhoe too. Yeah.
Unlike some other ones, ours don't bend.
That's right.
We got a lot of pictures from a lot of customers showing
competitors.
competitors'
And
ears bend up on them. So
yeah.
we
completely flattened right out, laid
ours
right
don't
out.
do that. We were the first ones to come out with that.
By the way, yeah. we
By
were.
the way, is right.
That's right.
Yeah.
By the way, we were the first one that
So-
made the big pads, short footers.
Yeah. So if they want a copy, we'll copy their stuff.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's good for the goose is good for the gander. We say
Exactly.
here in Newfoundland.
that's true.
Yeah. But anyway, we're only going to copy the good stuff.
Which, well then I guess we won't be doing it.
No, we won't be doing much, will we?
No.
We don't need to copy too many
They've
more.
already copied the good stuff and we already had it.
Yeah, that's right. Exactly. But anyway, we have lots of more ideas, folks. This is the very first one. Go to our website. The address for our website is in the description. If you see something there that you do like, you just go to the contact us form, tell Kathy what you're looking for, she'll price it up, and whatever questions you have, she'll try to answer. We don't answer technical questions anymore on the site because we're getting overwhelmed with them. There's hundreds per week comes in, from gold wings to gas pumps to tractors to motorcycles to
Boats, you name it.
boats, everything. I don't think we've been. I haven't asked a question on a plane yet,
Not yet.
but that's coming, I'm sure. So, folks, hope you enjoy it. We'll see you in the next video. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. God bless.